Welcome back, guys, to CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about Bitcoin. We are go all summer in a sideways. So I'm still bullish because I don't see any reason we have to drop to 15K or 10K, because you have to understand the psychology of the market. A lot of bad things happened in this year, and this year is still not end. But I already told you what drive the market. The market makers drive the market, not you and me, because even if it's $1 million, it's not enough to put the price up. You know, that's why our money is just a drop in ocean of all this crypto money. And now all eyes now only at Federal Reserve and increasing rate 21st September. So this is a culmination of all bear market since April 2021. So we're 1.5 years in a bear market. And I don't know what have to happen more terrible in this year so we can see the Bitcoin at 10K. And you have to know the main point and the main goal of market maker, it's shake out our money. So the poor people have to become more poor and the rich people more rich. That's the reason, and it's a historical how it works. Because until the market maker can make money with Bitcoin or with any altcoin, it's interesting for him. When the retail investors start making money and the market makers stop make enough money for him, he just dropped the Bitcoin to zero and took off liquidity, all liquidity from the market. That's why I don't see the reason drop the price to 15K when everybody, 90% I think sentiment in the market now, everybody waiting the 15K. So all technical analysis show we have to drop to 15K. The same like in November, every single technical analysis show we bid the previous high 65, we bid 69, so we show the direction. So we have to we break, so we have to make a retest and confirm and go to 100K, but it's not happen. That's why it's same like now. We have to drop to 15K, but why? Nobody can explain. That's why I already showed you in my Telegram channel. So on a weekly time frame, today we got this divergence, 27 June. This drop on the lines, not on the candles, because on the candles we can get the weak, huge week. There no liquidity, but real market, it's on the lines. You know, it's around real price. You know, that's why we got this low, and in the momentum we got almost this low, to forming the lower low on a weekly time frame. Not on the daily time frame, not on a 4-hour time frame, on a weekly time frame, and a huge divergence on RSI. So we got a power from buyers. Step by step, they accumulate during all this period. They accumulate the Bitcoin, more and more Bitcoin, and the same like with Ethereum merger. A lot of people wait at this hype, and nothing happened. Nothing happened. That's how the buy the rumors, sell the fact. So the people buy the rumors. So, proof of stake and proof of work. So yes, it's happened. Historical moment. We waited 5 years. Let's go to the moon. And we just drop. Sell the facts. Now, I mentioned also in my Telegram channel, my thoughts about, look, it's crazy. Biden say COVID pandemic is over. That's what I've told you before. In the autumn, we will see a lot of good news. So Ukraine go to attack, nice and well. And I think that the war in Ukraine will end in the next year, around spring. But until the end of this year, yes, we are probably taking back a lot of territory. And Biden says the COVID pandemic is over. How is it possible? Because all news, including price, they have to push some positive news. Biden go fly to Saudi, talk about oil, the gas to Europe. So I think that, and Schultz going to Saudi in the next week to Qatar. championship, World Cup championship in Qatar in November. A lot of investments, a lot of money inflow in this event. And that's why the Biden go to Saudi, the Scholz, the German, go to Saudi, talk about the oil, the gas for Europe, and to survive in this winter. And I think Saudi is not a stupid guys, and they give more than enough the oil and the gas for Europe. So the Europe find a solution how to survive this winter. It's not only about the one Russia. No, a lot of gas and the oil in the world. And for Saudi, it's better to take off their sanction from United States and sell a lot of gas and to make millions and the billions than just go to principle and don't have a partnership with the United States and the German. Zero reason. And that's why the Biden say its pandemic is over, because the Qatar and the Saudi, the first time in history, it's a big event. They need a lot of tourists. But if they don't have a compromise about the gas and the oil, I think Biden could say, no, pandemic is not over, and unfortunately we have to launch the new lockdown. But they already have the compromise about everything. So I explained my position about the rate. So if the race should be 0.75 basic points in this Wednesday, I think we can see that. And after this, Jerome Powell came into the press conference and talked some not hawkish, but good things about the stop increasing the rates, calm down. So we will see this pump to overs in 21K. And then our road to 28K is open. But if he came in and talked and increased the rate to 100 basic points, and on press conference continue the hawkish position, yes, in this case we have to drop to, we can drop to 15K. Yes, but everything now just depends of this event. So it doesn't make any sense to make a price prediction for any altcoins, for any Bitcoin position. Yes, we on technical analysis we're just forming the double bottom. Yes, it looks pretty awesome. Yes, but everything can happen. That's why we work with possibilities. So my recommendation now, like you can see on a weekly time frame, now here horizontal line. Yes, here. Yes. We broke this line. So we're forming the lower low. And look on the other side. On a weekly time frame. What confirm? But here, yes, of course, everybody waiting. We have to drop lower than this one. But it's just a noise. It's just a noise. You know? And on Heiken and Nash candles, we can see we get a volume. We got a volume from buyers. Go to daily time frame. We got a buyers here. We almost hold the line. We almost hold this trend line, what I showed you. We're still trade around here. And usually we see so big volatile. So look, we'll go to October. And I mark it. We have to make a move like this one. Going out. Maybe even 2023 is the first target. Higher than this one, but lower than this one. Higher than 23, but lower than 25. Retest and going up. In most positive scenario, yes, we can see even go to like this one, to this seller zone. Here's the next block. It's around 27 till 32. We can go like this one and then retest. But it will be the much harder for retest, you know. That's why I think we can see something like this one and going up. And we climb to 30K, and people still continue to talk. No. It's not enough. It's just a pump. It's just a cat bounce. It's everything, but not the reversal move. And everybody who told you to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum because it's a future at 4K and 65K and the 50K, they just flip now and wait in the bottom. But you will never catch the bottom. And now they talk in Twitter, no, we're not buying. But they already bought. Trust me, they already bought. Everybody talk in the play-in expert. You will see. After when the Bitcoin bounced to 23 or 25K, everybody in Twitter gonna post, oh, nice, I bought the dip. Come on, guys, don't believe in everything what you see in Twitter, because only not so many people post the real value information in Twitter. Mostly it just looks like gambling, and everybody playing in expert. That's why everything depends of geopolitics now in the world by this winter. Yes, that's why we can bounce to 23K, retest 20K, and then bounce to 32K. And we got the new trend line, uptrend line. We go in new trend. And after 30K, we can drop to maybe 35 and then drop to 25. And at 25, a lot of people continue to talk about the new low for Bitcoin until we are reaching 50K. This is how it works. Of course, I can be wrong, but it's not a game who right, who wrong. No. Our goal is just to make money. Because like you can see, Bitcoin is not a hedge of inflation or something. Inflation going up and Bitcoin going down. So you can't save your money. And you didn't know if Bitcoin going to zero or not. You have no proofs it's a safe investment. The same like with Amazon, Apple, or something else. That's why S&P 500 drive the market, Nasdaq drive the market, news drive the market, everything drive the market. Just only not the rumors drive the market, because rumors are just rumors. You have to filter your noise around you and make a right decision. So if we drop to 15K, it's okay. So what we can do? Nothing. We just have to absorb it and work with what we got. So that's why now I opened the few position on altcoins. It's the YDX, what I market in my previous video, ICP token, Zilliqa, and Alice. Alice, it's a gaming coin, but it's oversold now. And EOS and Jasmy. I bought this one, but if we drop insanely in one candle week down, I use 5 leverage. And if we drop it down, I can't afford to lose this money. It's not a big deal. And I leave the money for extra and ordinary situation, for to buy on the spot. Because I'm more than enough now with altcoins for my investment portfolio for the next 2 years. Because I think it's not a spoiler, but I think the next insane drop, we will see at the end, in March 2024. You will see the big correction 2024 March, then a little bit pump and going down to new bear market. So next bear market, I think, will start at the March 2024, because we will see the election in Ukraine, in Russia, and in the United States. So guys, read more news, double check every single source what you check usually, but not believe in everything what you see in the internet. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, write please in comment what do you think about Bitcoin. Are we going down to 15K, or are we going up to 23 and finally breaking out this downtrend line with retest? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel, because there I share all my information faster than on YouTube. See you next time, guys.